The overall goal of the following experiment is to quantify the expression levels of microRNA molecules in prostate cancer and normal prostate tissue using quantitative real-time PCR. This is achieved by first extracting total RNA from prostate tissues that includes mRNA, microRNA, and other small RNAs. Next, the RNA is reverse transcribed to generate cDNA. Then, cyber-green-based real-time PCR is carried out using the cDNA as a template to amplify and quantitate microRNA expression in real time. Results are obtained that show relative expression of microRNAs in various prostate samples based on quantitative real-time PCR.
The main advantage of this technique over other methods is that it offers great sensitivity, accuracy, reproducibility, and it is fast and cost-effective.
This method can be used to answer key questions in the field of cancer biology, as microRNA expression is often correlated with genes that are heavily involved in the cancer process. We can therefore use qPCR to assess the expression of microRNAs and see how this correlates with clinical variables.
These biomarkers may potentially be used as both diagnostic and prognostic tools. They may help us diagnose prostate cancer, as well as help us determine which prostate cancers are aggressive. In addition, there is potential for these biomarkers to be therapeutic agents. Not only can this method provide insight into prostate tumor genesis, it may also be applied to other cancers and diseases.
Collect prostate samples at the time of prostatectomy and orient the specimen using anatomic